Welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to edit with me. I thought this would be fun because I'm a video editor. I've been doing this for 10 years on YouTube and my routine has evolved over the years. I actually used to be really bad at managing my energy. I feel like now I have routines. I have things I do every single day I edit. So in the morning, I'll wake up and a lot of times do a workout, read a few pages, journal, pray, meditate, do all these little things that help me stay grounded and make me like feel peace. So after I'm done doing my little morning routine, which takes about 20-25 minutes, it's really not that long. I mean, maybe that does sound long actually. My skincare routine is long. So that's one of the first things I do too, is do my skincare routine right after I do my morning routine. It's kind of part of the morning routine. And then I do family stuff. We do breakfast, we do cuddles. So after that is when I usually get into editing. Usually I've done a little bit of pre-work the night before on the projects I need to complete the next day. So when I'm editing a video, I will sit down and kind of power through. I don't take a lot of breaks, honestly. I also think it's because when you get into a flow state, you can kind of like lose track of time and breaks aren't as necessary. If you are not editing in a really comfy chair, you're doing it wrong. I found this chair on Amazon and it's literally been a game changer. I can't believe I was editing in anything else now, and I only edit at my desk now that I have a really comfortable chair. After I've done a few hours of editing, I will take a break for lunch. Sometimes I'll get a sushi surprise at lunch and it's my favorite sushi ever. It's a vegan roll. I fell in love with it last year. After lunch, I'll always take my vitamins. I have them in my desk drawer right here, and then I'll keep editing. Around 4 or 5, I'll wrap it up, and then to wind down, I want to get back in my body because I've been in my head all day editing. A lot of times for me that means cooking a new recipe. I signed up for Purple Carrot a couple years ago and it's so amazing. This is not like sponsored or anything. I just love having a meal that I can make that's homemade and vegan and healthy, but that I didn't have to like go to the grocery store and like get all the ingredients for. And so that's why I like those delivery services. I tried Green Chef, I like that too, but they kept forgetting ingredients. So I switched to Purple Carrot because it's all vegan. A lot of times at night, I'll also do some journaling, some reading, kind of like a mirror of my morning routine. Anyways, that's my whole day. I make videos every 2 weeks, so you should subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.